Welcome to our IABS channel King. Today discuss previous annual examination question paper March 2020. That is paper 2A second year Maths A. This paper total marks 75. Time duration is 3 hours. Section A 10 to the 20. Answer all questions. First question. Exercise 1B, first problem, page number 14 in Telugu Academy. Second question, exercise 1C, first bit lo fourth problem, Telugu Academy, question page number 24. Third problem, Telugu Academy textbook, exercise 2A, first bit, second problem, page number 40. Fourth problem, Telugu Academy, exercise 3B, first bit lo, ninth bit lo third problem, textbook page number 84. Fifth problem, exercise 4A, first bit lo third problem, page number 107. Sixth problem, Telugu Academy textbook, exercise 5E, page number 195, first bit lo 12th problem. Next, seventh problem, exercise 5D, page number 181, first bit lo second problem. Page number 8, question number 8, exercise 5A, Telugu Academy textbook, page number 232, second bit lo, first bit lo second problem. Next question number 9, exercise 8A, page number 305, first bit lo, second problem. 10th question, exercise 10B, textbook page number 362, first bit lo 9th problem. Next, section B. This section B, weightage 5 4 are 20. This is short answer type questions. Attempt any 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 11th problem, exercise 1B, page number textbook page number 15, second bit lo second problem. Question number 12, exercise 3B, Telugu Academy textbook page number 84, second bit lo first problem. Next, 13th problem, exercise 5C, textbook page number 177, third bit lo third problem. 14th question, exercise 5E, page number 196, third bit lo third problem. Next, question number 15, exercise 7B, page number 271, first bit lo second problem. Question number 16, example 3, page number 334, Telugu Academy, page number 334 lo example 3. Question number 17, exercise 9B, probability, page number 326, second bit lo 8th problem. Next exercise, next bit, section C. This section weightage 5 7 are 35, third bit long answer type questions. Attempt any 5 questions out of 7 questions. 18th question, exercise 2B, page number 48, third bit lo 4th problem. Question number 19, exercise 4B, theory of equations, page number 123, third bit lo third problem. Question number 20, binomial theorem, page number 230, example number 19. Question number 21, exercise 6B, binomial theorem, textbook page number 248, third bit lo second problem. Next, question number 22, textbook page number 284, example 5, measures of dispersion chapter. Next, 23, question number probability, exercise 9B, page number 325, first bit lo 8th problem. Next, 24 question, last chapter, exercise 10A, page number 355 in Telugu Academy textbook, first bit lo 5th problem. Okay. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. Thank you for watching this video.